morning I'm supposed to discuss my outlook on inflation, economic growth, fiscal position of the national government, interest rates, and exchange rates. First of all, I have to be very honest with you. I must tell you that unlike some of my colleagues, I do not have an econometric or statistical forecasting models. The reason I don't have one is that, number one, I'm lazy. Number two, I noticed that all of my friends who do adjust their models when they don't like the results. Now, I thought this was unique to the Philippines until I read an article by Professor Ray Fair of Yale that said that he used to have a very large econometric model, which always did very poorly relative to people who just did it by gut feel. In other words, it's really very hard to capture what's going on with just cold statistics. And he said, really, when you run a contest between the best author-blind economic models and the gut feel of people in the market, the sapient always wins. In short, the forecaster using the sophisticated statistical model was nothing but the ventriloquist. Well, the relationship is nothing like the relationship between the ventriloquist and his dummy. And what the dummy says is nothing but what the ventriloquist is saying from his gut. The voice may be different because it's been